What's up, everybody? So today I want to run through how to post from a general journal to a general ledger. It says really, it's just it's kind of time consuming. The one tip that I would give you here is to resist the temptation to just open up the, let's say, cash general ledger, put all of the entries for cash on the general ledger at one time. Your best bet is really going to be to go in order. Cash is debited here, so do that first, and then to go back and do the capital, and then do each individual transaction by itself, line by line, essentially. Okay, so let's see here. On March 1st, the owner invests cash in the business, so Leonard Witkowski invests $5,000 in the business. So here's how this will look. I'm not going to do anything up here first. I'm just going to go down to the general ledger, and I'm going to start posting this. So March 1st, as my post reference number, I'm going to use G1 because this is just kind of a little check for me to let me know where I'm getting this information from. So in this case, I got this information from page 1 of the general journal, so G1. Okay, so we got a $5,000 debit here. And so now our balance of our cash account is $5,000. Okay, at this point, now I can come back up here and use my post reference of 110 there to let myself know that I'm getting this information, or I've posted this information to cash's general ledger. All right, next one. Leonard Witkowski, the credit of this. So again, it's just the same as first, post reference. I'm getting this from page 1. I have a 5. So I know now that the value of the business has gone up by $5,000 because of this investment by Leonard Witkowski. So $5,000. And I'm all done. I can post reference that here. Okay. So again, like I said, it's just kind of a check to let us know that we've to the individual accounts. So here we go. Next one. Prepaid insurance. This was on March 3rd, if I'm not mistaken. References again, G1, page 1 of the general journal, $660, $660. So now I can post reference this back up here, 140. Okay, now here's something to make a note of here. So again, I've got a $660 credit on this one because or credit to cash anyway, because I've just purchased this. So I'm going to put $660 here as a credit. I am not going to do anything with the credit over here under the balance section, because this balance section lets me know how much I have currently in that account. So $5,000 minus $660 leaves me with $4,340 left. Okay, so we just use this to manage our balance and let us know how much we have of something on hand. So in this case, we've got $4,340 of cash on hand on March 3rd. What's that? All right, and the process is pretty much just the same from that point forward. Oh, sorry, trying to get ahead of myself here. On March 4th. $2 worth is a balance. So what's that up here? Okay. Joshua's supplies. not too tough, right? It's like I said, it's not a difficult process. It just can be time consuming. But again, I'm just going to re-emphasize how important it is to go line by line like I did, as opposed to trying to go, and you know, in this case, searching out the next Joshua's Supplies transaction here. Much easier if you general ledger and go line by line as opposed to doing each account ledger. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's the process. Here are the difference between the general journal, which has all of the transactions listed in chronological order by date, and as compared to the general ledger, each account's what's happening within that account, and within that, the balance of something on hand at any one time. So use this as you guys see fit.